So the purpose of today's video is going to be instructing you on how to improve your turnover when you're doing a snatch. It's quite common that sometimes in a snatch you can end up sometimes with a weak catch. It can be soft at the bottom of the overhead squat, and you can find yourself unstable round by swinging the bar in this position. What we're going to work on today is going through a couple of drills that will get rid of that swing and hopefully drill in a closer bar path. These are the drills that I found work best for myself and those that I train with and those that I coach here in this facility. The first drill that we're going to work on is what we call a tall muscle snatch. So we're going to balance right up into that full extension finish position. On the cue go, you'll just simply turn over and then heels down. Again, up onto the toes, go. Up onto the toes, go. That's the first drill. The purpose of this drill is obviously getting yourself into that full extension position to begin with, and then just focusing on the turnover. The second video is going to be once again utilizing the muscle snatch. So the muscle snatch is something we're going to be utilizing throughout this whole video, and it's going to see a common theme go all the way through. This next one is going to be a simpler drill, and it's going to be done from the high hang or the hip position or power position as it's known. So all we're going to do is set into this position. The bar will be in the hip crease, the point of contact when you do a snatch. Shoulders slightly above the bar, chest up from here, drive into a full extension and turn over. Once again, set into that power position, drive up, turn over. And again, set into that power position, drive and turn over. The purpose of this drill now is allowing you to use your legs for full extension, generating some power, which will make the turnover even easier. This needs to be one quick, smooth motion and not allowing the bar to move in front and keeping it nice and close. The third drill that we're going to focus on, we'll be doing this from the ground now, but pausing at the knee. So a halting muscle snatch. We'll start the bar in your mid-shin position or start position. We're going to drive, maintaining that back angle, pausing at the knee, then drive and through, making that hip contact and keeping the bar nice and close for that firm turnover. Once again, from this bottom position, driving, pausing at the knee, full extension into a close turnover, nice and deliberate, keeping that pressure on the bar, not allowing it to go too far behind into a swinging motion. Finally, pause, full extension and turn over. Once again, keeping that pressure on the bar. The purpose of this drill is to get used to lifting from the ground, but it gives you a little halt or a little pause at the knee. This allows you just to take a moment to think about what you're going to execute without having to rush off the ground. So it teaches you a bit of patience to then execute that muscle snatch, keeping that bar nice and close. It also allows you to work on that first pull, so the hips and shoulders rising at the same time. Finally, we're going to try and execute this all in one smooth motion now. So from the ground, your start position. So be it mid-shin position. We're then going to start through this first pull, straight into that extension and a fast turnover into that muscle snatch. Once again, slowly from the ground, generate into the hips and turn over. In a slower or slowed down, slow motion, driving through into that contact point, which is the power point, power position, up and turn over. This keeps the bar nice and close, and that is the purpose of the drill. These drills working right from the top, from that tall position, hip, knee, and then from the floor will just hopefully help you gain a bit of patience and really focus on the turnover with the muscle snatch. That drill is a really good drill for aiming to keep a nice close bar path and trying to stop the bar escaping you or any sudden bangs off the hip.